The speed of China attracts global attention, making the rest of the world impressed and astonished. And in the field of foundry machinery and equipment, there is also such an enterprise that catches the spotlight, making China's national foundry machinery brands polished and shining on the international stage. Founded in 1998, Delynn Intelligent Technology Company Limited has been surging forward in the history of machine casting, and thanks to the interweaving of culture and innovation, it has become an innovator in China's mechanical casting industry. As a new type of total solution supplier for modern automated foundry, Delynn holds 4 companies under its control, forming a large-scale comprehensive group integrating technology research and development, production, intelligent processing, and global sales. Delynn has accumulated strengths from years of experience and has obtained a number of product patents as well as corporate honors, which enables it to top the industry and to form partnerships all over the world. The power of casting demonstrates the soul of Delynn's craftsmanship. More than 20 years of perseverance and dedication confers solid strength on Delynn, centering on production, precision machining, and metal plate painting workshop serving as swing. Delynn has poured money into the introduction of high-precision, intelligent processing equipment to achieve automation and standardization in casting products like non-ferrous metal and ferrous metal that matches its international counterparts. Many single product molding machines are well known at home and abroad, establishing a bridge for the national casting equipment manufacturing to connect with the international frontier. At the same time, relying on subsidiaries Anken Automation Machinery Company Limited and Yangtze River Industry Automation Machinery Company Limited, the company has forged various types of metal intelligent composite machining centers and automated grinding and polishing units for customers to realize intelligent one-stop operations of casting production. The power of casting stems from the productivity led by technology. Technology changes and innovation continues. Delynn now has more than 80 professional and technical personnel, depending on a high-quality, high-level technical team and the existing automated research and development platform. Delynn has set up the Independent Technology Research and Development Center and the Green Casting Laboratory, responsible for the research and development of new processes and traditional products, forming and fortifying its technology advantage. Through continuous self-improvement and development, Delynn's products have always kept the competitive edge and are full of vitality and vigor in the changing market. The power of casting presents a touch of humanistic concern. The ingenious team creates excellent products. In Delynn, there is such a group of people who inherit Delynn's quality essence and pour their dedication to mechanical technology into every product. They are the creators of Delynn's intelligence and the executors of Delynn's global services. Put people first, then concentrate on breadth and depth. Internally, Delynn builds a high-quality platform to recruit elites. Externally, the power of trust from customers allows Delynners to burst into greater energy and provide customers with convenient, fast, and comprehensive services to achieve the vision of being better, larger, and stronger in the casting industry. The future is looming ahead. Delynn is going to take the scientific system as the base, innovative manufacturing as the wings, and with the power of ingenuity casting, it will march forward and build the dream of green casting together.